Hello kids, my name is Dr. John. Here's a step-by-step guide to wash your hands properly. Step 1. Wet your hands. Turn on the tap and let the water get warm. Wet your hands completely. Remember, wet hands will help the soap spread easily. Step 2. Use soap. Take some soap on your hands. It can be liquid soap or soap from a soap dispenser. A small amount is enough. Step 3. Rub your hands together. Rub your palms together. Don't forget the back of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. This is where germs like to hide. Step 4. Scrub for 20 seconds. Sing the Happy Birthday song twice or count to 20 while you keep scrubbing. This will make sure you clean your hands really well. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly. Hold your hands under the running water. Let all the soap come off. Make sure there's no soap left on your hands. Step 6. Dry your hands. Use a clean towel or paper towel to dry your hands. If you're at school, use the hand dryer if there's one. Step 7. Turn off the tap. If the tap has handles, use a tissue or your elbow to turn it off. This way, you won't get your clean hands dirty again. Remember, washing your hands helps keep you healthy by getting rid of germs. You should wash your hands before eating, after using the restroom, after touching animals, after playing outside. Whenever your hands look or feel dirty, keep practicing, and soon washing your hands the right way will become a good habit.